beautiful people from YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Today I have a pink haul, and I have some things from the semi-annual haul because semi-annual sale, because after I posted the last video, Victoria's Secret video, I went again and I got more stuff. And then after that I went again and I got more stuff. So I'm just gonna combine everything in this video. So I have this really big bag right here. It's really huge. And inside I have everything. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So the first thing that I got from the sales, the semi-annual sale, and is this like mauve color, pink color. That's how, let me just move back. That's how it looks like. It's just a sweater, and as you can see, it just has a little dog right here, and then it has these ties going down, and they say pink. They say pink right there. They say pink all over it. And it's just a really comfy oversized sweater. So it looks like, and it's really soft from the inside. And I got it in a size large, and the original price was $54.95, and I got it for $29.99. It's just really pretty. I thought it was really pretty. So that was that. And then I also got, let me just move. Okay, so I also got from the sale this Victoria's Secret perfume. Is the name of it is Scandalous. That's how it looks like. And then the actual perfume looks like this. Just open the box, and I'm gonna be putting all the prices somewhere here, either here or here. So this is how it looks like. And let me just open my window. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and it just has like this, what is this, like a, I think it's supposed to be like a rose type of thing, and then it's just, I don't even know what this type of thing is called, so it just looks like that. It smells really good, and I believe I got this one for $24. I don't know, I'm just gonna leave the price here. I'm not even gonna guess. And then I have this Victoria's Secret mist and lotion. I have the Love, what is this, like set. And ooh, what the hell? This is how it looks like. It has the mist and the lotion. It smells really good too. It smells really good. It smells like clean, like, you know, just like a really clean smell, which I really like. Like, I'm not really into, like, I like sweet scents, but I think I'm more of a, like, a fresh flower kind of scent. Okay, and then I have two bras that I also got from the sale. I think these are the Wear Everywhere push-up bras. The first one is just this nude color, and I got them in a 36 double D. So I have this one, and I have this black one with lace. It's also a push-up everywhere bra, and they were both the original price was $38. For this one was $38, and this one was $34.95, and I got them for $19.99. So that's a pretty good deal. And then I got this little bag. I think the original price was like $5, but they had them like a bunch of them for 85 cents. So I grabbed one. This is how it looks like. I can't believe they were trying to sell this for $5. Like, what? So yeah, it's just this little bag that just, what is this, like tie? What is this called? I don't know, but yeah, it just has hearts, and the lace just says Victoria's Secret. I think this is super pretty for, I don't know, whenever you go like on a trip or a vacation, you can just put like your underwear or your socks so they don't get lost on your luggage. I don't know, I just got it because it was 85 cents. So that was that. And then I think that was it that I got from the actual like sale. And then I went again yesterday. And they already have all the back to school stuff, like the planners and the backpacks and everything. So I'm so excited because I got, first I have this planner. This is my first time ever getting a pink planner. So I got the checkerboard one because they only had, it was this one and then the cheetah print, and it just said it said like pink right here, but I don't really like cheetah print, so I have this one, and it's super pretty. It's super, I don't know why, but I just like that it's like thick, and then it's hardcover, and it's really good quality actually, like really good quality. And I don't know, if you guys want a review on the planner, then just let me know in the comments and I'll do one. I'll be happy to do one because I like watching like planner videos. So yeah, I got this one. And then I also got from the collegiate collection, I got the water bottle. I have this one, the one's like pink with the glitter inside. Yeah, I got this one with the glitter. Oh, it looks so cool on camera. It's like a rainbow. It's holographic, but it looks like a rainbow on camera. But yeah, it just says pink right here in gray or silver, and then you have just this cool top. I don't know why you think it's cool, but to me it is. It's just, I don't know, you just open it like that, so it's protected. And then you have this strap, which I really like because, I don't know, you can just carry it like that, or you can even put it in your belt because it has a snap button right here, so you can just take it out if you don't want it. But I'm just gonna leave it there, to be honest. I think it's easier to carry around with the strap. So that's that. And then this is the most exciting thing for me. It's the new backpack, and this is my first time ever getting one from Pink, and I've been wanting one since I was like in middle school, and now I'm gonna be a sophomore in college, so it's been like 7 years since I've been wanting a pink backpack, and I finally got it. It's the new also collegiate backpack, and it's just the what is this, like lilac lavender color. It's not really, it didn't really change from the ones last year, just the letters. I think from last year they were like plasticky, and this is just like the actual material from the backpack. And I know the one from last year had a zipper right here, and this one doesn't. I love it. I'm so excited that I got it. I'm so excited that I have my first pink backpack. So excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am. But yeah, I love it. And then because I have the angel card, you know how they send like a lot of angel reward coupons or something. Well, I don't know, I just know that I get a lot of coupons. So I had I had a coupon for the actual angel reward, and then I think I had another one for like just if you register for the pink what is it called, like what's the name of it? Is the pink reward something? I think everyone can register for that. I don't know how I did it. I just know that I get like coupons on email even before I had the actual card, the angel card. So I had a coupon for a free panty, and then from the angel reward I had another coupon for a free panty. So I pretty much got 2 free panties, like yay. So I'm not really gonna show it, like actually show it. I'm just gonna show you like a little part of it because I don't know, I feel weird showing panties on the camera. These are the hipster boy shorts, if I'm not mistaken. So the first one looks like this, and this is, so in the back it just says love pink. It just says love pink in rose gold foiled, and then you just have the little pretty cool band here. And this is like also like a mauve pink color, which I really like. I really like this color. So just looks like that. The back, and it has like this cool like see-through part thing. So that was, oh, so I think they're like $10.50 each, and I got them for free. Like how cool. So oh, and then the next one is also a hipster boy short, and it's a pink camel print. As you can see, it's pink, and then it has like lighter pink, and then the band, this is how the bands look like. So the band is just as pink in gold glitter. How cool. I really like it. So that's how it looks like. So I got these 2 free panties, and then the last thing is the actual bag. This is a huge bag that I got. They were on sale, and I think this one was $9, and then they had like other type of purses, and there were 7, but I like this one better. So it's just pink, it's see-through, so you can see it. I'm pretty sure you can see my face. It's just pink. It says Victoria's Secret, and then it says New York, London, and Shanghai. And then over here it has like snake print, and it just has the black straps, and then just like chain right here. So that was everything that I got from Victoria's Secret and Pink. So yeah, I'm so happy with everything that I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking some of your time to watch this video, and I just want to say that I'm so excited because I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I think I have, as of right now, I have 75 subscribers, and I think it's super crazy that 75 people actually watch my videos. That's so crazy. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'm just gonna go. So I'll see you on my next video. I love you guys so much, and bye.